Alright guys, so I got some bad news. So in my haste to get mowing, I didn't notice, I didn't check the reel to bed knife adjustment, and so there's a little bit of an issue. Not too big of a deal, but no good. Let's see if you can see it. Here's a grass blade. You can see it's tall, but it's got, basically looks like it got beat up. That's because it wasn't cutting, it was just hitting it with the reel and bending it. And that's not good. So the grass will survive. I obviously adjusted it. The Swardman is actually pretty easy. Just two little bolts. There's one here, one there. What I do like is that you can take that whole cartridge out and just adjust it. I did it on the picnic table. I didn't record it because the battery needs to be charged. But you do that, you put some paper in, you flick it with your hand to see if it cuts the paper, and when it does, you're good to go. So I'm gonna do mowing today with an actual sharp reel, and it's adjusted correctly. So that should be good. Now, somebody commented about blowing off the leaves before cutting. I thought that was a great idea, so I'm gonna do that. I mean, it just went over them, but you know, if you want to have this nice cut, you might as well do it all the way. So let's get the blower out, make some noise. Alright, I'm gonna try doing the GoPro today. Oh no, I found a memory card and it appears I have lost it already. Let me go check for it. Alright, so the growth regulator I think is working. You'll probably notice behind the picnic table is taller than the rest of the lawn. I'm mowing it at the same time. I did mow this week once or twice since the last video, but I have noticed that behind the picnic table is still growing taller, faster, and the rest of it has slowed down, so yes. All right, looks pretty good. So there you go. Hopefully the GoPro works this time. If you see splotches around, that's the clover dying off. There's actually a lot more than I realized, so looks kind of meh right now, but it'll get there. There's still good grass growing in between and around it, so hopefully that will thrive more and it will just look good, you know? So, on to the next project, the front yard. Bum bum bum. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.